We are buying and selling all the time. We are managing over 45 billion euros, so in excess of $60 billion of real estate, and we have over 30 active accounts or funds. So we are buying, we are selling, we are having views and convictions on the market. So we believe that there are certain assets that we can buy now, there are certain assets that should be sold, and we are trying to deliver those plans in the most effective manner, in the best interest of our various accounts, various clients. So as I said earlier, I think it's time to sell core properties, fully leased properties, given the level of pricing. For example, a market like France, we see more downside risk than upside on the leasing market. If certain buyers are ready to pay such a premium for certain properties, we can consider a sale. We have, for example, also unsolicited offers on certain prime properties. It's a question of price and return. There is the question of how you reuse the funds.
And Dan, obviously you were slightly nodding there in terms of kind of obviously the core market particularly. Is this a time that you would sell given pricing and where the market is today?
In my mind, right now we're seeing an extraordinary pricing achieved for core assets with long-term income in place. And I'd probably be an active seller of those assets if I had good opportunities to reallocate those monies to more strategic, better yielding opportunities.
Because that's obviously the question, isn't it, Jason? What you reinvest that capital into.
That's the big question, right? And our investors are looking for us to deliver them long-term income, and that's the problem. They don't want to take their principal back, because then what are they going to do with that? They're looking for us to put that to work smartly. And we look at the globe as the opportunity, and different markets rise and fall, and we're trying to buy in those weaker markets. But I agree with Olivier. I mean, a lot of these core markets, they seem overpriced. We look at these transactions, we scratch our heads sometimes when we see the prices at which a lot of these assets trade. So we're not active in those markets. We're looking at more secondary, and we are finding opportunities. We are seller as well, where we're taking advantage of the capital that's in place, but we'll be a net buyer this year.